Hello, my name is Vivek. Welcome to Smart Tech Education YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I'm going to discuss about the various subjects like database management systems, web technologies, big data and business analytics. I'll discuss about each subject. I'll make sure that you understand every topic in this subject. So let's start with the database management systems. In database management systems, I'm going to discuss about three chapters. First chapter is about conceptual modeling, second chapter is about transaction management, third chapter is about data storage and query processing. So after completion of each chapter, you will be provided in link in the description, so you can check the link and download the PDF for the first chapter, second chapter and third chapter as well. After completion of first chapter, you will be provided a PDF. I will provide a PDF to you, so you can download the PDF and learn after each chapter. At the end of this all chapters, I'll provide a altogether PDF of three chapters, so they can learn each and every chapter from the all PDFs. So let's start with the first chapter, that is conceptual modeling. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss about what is database, what is DBMS, advantages and disadvantages of DBMS, applications of database, and basic definitions like DDL and DML. So let us discuss about what is database. So what is database? Collection of information that can be easily accessed, managed and updated is called a database. And examples like images and videos. This is called a database. Coming to DBMS. DBMS is nothing but it is a software package designed to interact with end users. It is a package is designed to interact with the end users. It is called DBMS. Coming to the next question. What are the advantages of DBMS and what are the disadvantages of DBMS? Coming to the advantages of DBMS, it improved data sharing, improved data security, better data integration, improved data access, increased end user productivity. Coming to disadvantages of DBMS, more time to execute, takes more time and requires a lot of space to store the data. These are the disadvantages of DBMS. Coming to the applications of database, there are four applications like telecom, banking system, education sector, online shopping. Coming to the telecom, there is a database to keep track of the information regarding calls made, network usage, customer details, etc. Coming to the banking system, for storing information like customers' information or tracking day-to-day credit and debit transactions, generating bank systems. Education sector. Database systems are frequently used in schools, colleges to store and retrieve the data regarding student details. This is about the education sector. Coming to the online shopping, that is e-commerce shopping. You must be aware of the online shopping websites such as Amazon, Flipkart. They store a lot of data. That's called, these are the applications of database. And let's discuss about the instant, their definitions like instance, schema, and data independency. So let's discuss about the instance. The data stored in a database at a particular moment of time is called instance of database, whereas schema, design of database, is called the schema. Coming to the data independency is the type of data transparency that matters for centralized DBMS. It refers to the immunity of user applications to changes made in the definition and organization of data. This is called data independency. Coming to the DDL and DML and entity attribute. So what is DDL? Data definition language. It stands for data definition language. It is a standard for commands that define the different structures in a database. Whereas DML, data manipulation language, it is a computer programming language used for adding, deleting, and modifying data in database. Coming to the entity, what is an entity? An entity is an object that exists. What is an attribute? An attribute defines the information about the entity that needs to be stored. This is about the definitions of the databases, different definitions like DDL and DML and entity and attribute. Coming to the relationship and relationship set. What is a relationship? In relational database theory, a relation as a original defined as EF code is a set of tuples where each element of DJ is number of DJ and a data domain. That is nothing but it is a contains a set of tuples like D1, D2 and so on dn. This is called relationship. Coming to the relationship set, a relationship set is a set of relationships of the same type. A relationship is association between several entities, that is it is associated with several entities is called relationship, which is associated between several entities is called relationship set. In the next topic, I'll going to discuss about data module and keys used in database. If you like this video, hit a like or subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.